In recent years, people have increasingly recognized the natural benefits and nutritional value of seafood. Compared with traditional red meat, seafood offers high-quality protein with low fat and is abundant in essential minerals and trace elements. These qualities make it an excellent choice for regulating body constitution and slowing aging. For seniors keen on healthy living, choosing the right marine products not only helps strengthen immune function but also improves cardiovascular, liver, kidney, and digestive health. Below, we explore the most recommended ocean treasures for seniors, outlining their nutritional components, health benefits, and practical serving suggestions. 1. Sea bass, a delicious, easily digestible marine delight. Sea bass, often hailed as the silver oak of the sea, is prized for its tender, mildly sweet flesh. Each 100 grams of sea bass provides roughly 20 grams of protein and about 3 grams of fat, along with beneficial unsaturated fatty acids and trace minerals such as zinc and selenium. Nutritional benefits and health effects. Sea bass not only supplies ample amino acids needed for body repair but also helps improve cardiovascular function, regulate blood lipid levels, and aid liver detoxification and recovery. Its mild nature makes it particularly suitable for seniors with sensitive digestive systems. Example: after his doctor recommended switching from traditional red meat to more sea bass, Grandpa John experienced smoother digestion, normalized cholesterol levels, and an overall boost in vitality. Serving suggestions: opt for gentle cooking methods like steaming, simmering, or lightly pan-searing with minimal oil to preserve nutrients and avoid the nutrient losses associated with high-temperature frying. 2. Squid, a dual gift of quality protein and minerals. Squid is a deep-sea nutritional treasure. Every 100 grams of squid contains approximately 18 grams of protein and less than 2 grams of fat, while being rich in iron, magnesium, and potassium, and relatively low in calories. Nutritional benefits and health effects. Moderate consumption of squid can help seniors replenish essential protein to maintain muscle mass and stimulate metabolism. The abundant minerals in squid contribute to preventing anemia and stabilizing blood pressure. Example: Ms. Linda has made squid a regular part of her meals. Not only does she enjoy sustained energy throughout the day, but her routine blood tests also show that her blood counts and blood pressure are well within healthy ranges. Serving suggestions: choose fresh squid and prepare it simply by grilling or tossing it in a light salad to minimize additional fats and fully retain its tender texture and nutritional qualities. 3. Sea cucumber, the exquisite marine tonic for strength and vitality. Celebrated as one of nature's premium tonics, sea cucumber boasts exceptional nutritional value. In 100 grams, sea cucumber consists of over 75% protein, very low fat, and is packed with polysaccharides, vitamins, and minerals, all while being nearly cholesterol-free. Nutritional benefits and health effects. Sea cucumber is renowned for its potent restorative and regulatory effects. It helps boost immune function, enhances kidney and liver metabolism, and alleviates physical weakness by aiding endocrine balance. Its nourishing nature makes it ideal for seniors who are frail or in recovery. Example: Grandma Mary has incorporated sea cucumber soup into her diet 1 to 2 times a week. As a result, she has felt a significant increase in her overall energy and a marked reduction in chronic aches, especially in her back and legs. Serving suggestions: simmer sea cucumber slowly over low heat, adding complementary ingredients like red dates and goji berries to enhance both flavor and health benefits. 4. Shrimp, an easily absorbable source of marine protein. Shrimp is prized for its low-fat, high-protein profile. Every 100 grams of shrimp provides about 19 grams of high-quality protein along with minimal fat, and is rich in calcium, phosphorus, and B vitamins. Nutritional benefits and health effects. Shrimp is loaded with taurine, antioxidants, and trace elements which work together to promote healthy blood circulation, boost heart function, and support tissue repair. Moderate shrimp consumption can improve microcirculation and overall metabolism in seniors. Example, Mr. Robert used to suffer from frequent colds due to weakened immunity. After adjusting his diet to include more shrimp, per his doctor's advice, he noticed a significant improvement in his overall health and a reduction in fever episodes. Serving suggestions: prepare shrimp by steaming or tossing it into a chilled salad to preserve its natural flavor and nutrients while avoiding the drawbacks of deep frying. 5. Mussels, the ocean's little iron boosters. Mussels, a representative of shellfish, are exceptionally rich in protein, iron, and vitamins. Every 100 grams of mussels provides plentiful protein and around 8 to 10 milligrams of iron, making them excellent for blood enrichment. Nutritional benefits and health effects: mussels effectively prevent iron deficiency anemia and support blood cell production. Furthermore, they contribute to maintaining healthy bones and enhancing overall immune function, a welcome option for seniors with diminished appetite. Example, Mr. James, who once frequently experienced dizziness and fatigue from anemia, found that regular mussel soup improved his hemoglobin levels and restored his energy over time. Serving suggestions: steam or simmer mussels, ensuring they are thoroughly cleaned to remove any impurities, thereby preserving their rich flavor and nutritional benefits. 6. Kelp, a natural treasure trove of iodine. Kelp, a common seaweed, is renowned for its nutritional richness and affordability. Per 100 grams, kelp offers about 12 grams of protein along with abundant calcium, magnesium, iron, and iodine, plus polysaccharides and dietary fiber. Nutritional benefits and health effects: kelp not only supplies necessary trace minerals but also helps lower blood pressure, promote digestion, reduce water retention, and potentially offer anti-cancer effects. It is particularly effective in preventing iodine deficiency goiter, regulating blood lipids, and easing constipation. Example, Mrs. Laura, long troubled by chronic constipation, experienced dramatic improvements in her digestion and steady blood pressure levels after increasing her kelp intake in daily meals. Serving suggestions: kelp can be enjoyed in salads, soups, or as a complement to main dishes. It is recommended to soak kelp in clean water before cooking to better unlock its nutritional benefits. 7. Sardines, omega-3 rich protectors for heart and brain. Sardines, a small oily fish, pack a nutritional punch. Each 100 grams of sardines provides about 20 grams of high-quality protein, 7 grams of healthy fats, and is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, iron, and vitamin D. Nutritional benefits and health effects: omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for reducing inflammation, protecting cardiovascular health, and supporting brain function. Regular consumption of sardines can help prevent atherosclerosis, lower the risk of stroke, promote healthy bones, and even enhance cognitive abilities. Example, Mr. William was introduced to sardines by a friend and soon discovered that regular inclusion of sardines in his diet not only improved his fat metabolism but also reduced chronic inflammation markers, leaving him feeling more vigorous and mentally alert. Serving suggestions: sardines work well in simple salads or as a ready-to-eat canned option. Aim to include them in your menu about 1 to 2 times per week for optimal benefits. 8. Whelk, snail meat, the undersea delicacy with remarkable health benefits. Whelk, a traditional nutritional delicacy, provides around 18 grams of high-quality protein per 100 grams along with ample B vitamins, calcium, and phosphorus. With its low fat content and easy digestibility, whelk is an excellent addition to a senior-friendly diet. Nutritional benefits and health effects: whelk aids in boosting metabolism, promoting faster wound healing, and enhancing immune function. Its low-calorie, low-fat profile is particularly well suited for seniors, while also helping to prevent muscle loss and regulate endocrine function. Example, Uncle Charles, who had experienced declining energy and nutritional deficits, began eating whelk soup on his family's recommendation. Within a few months, his energy levels rebounded, and he noticed improvements in both his memory and reaction time. Serving suggestions: after thoroughly cleaning fresh whelk, consider stir-frying with ginger and scallions or simmering it with vegetables to create a nutrient-rich soup, with various preparation methods offering diverse flavors and comprehensive nutrition. The ocean provides us with an inexhaustible bounty of nutritional treasures, each possessing unique health benefits. For seniors seeking long and healthy lives, consuming less red meat and more seafood not only supplies high-quality protein and abundant vitamins and minerals, but also improves cardiovascular and digestive function, enhances immune strength, and delays aging. By continuously diversifying your diet and combining seafood with ample fruits, vegetables, and whole grains for balance, seniors can effectively nourish their bodies and enjoy vibrant, energetic later years. Recommendations for daily diet: choose fresh, low-contaminant seafood and avoid processed products and cooking methods high in oil and salt. Arrange your meals scientifically and stick to the less meat, more fish principle. Complement your diet with regular exercise and proper sleep to further boost nutrient absorption and maintain metabolic balance. Tailor your menu to your own constitution along with professional advice from your doctor, and rotate dishes often to enjoy a diverse, healthful dining experience. Only by closely integrating ocean delicacies into everyday meals can the natural, health-promoting properties of seafood fully manifest, injecting endless vitality into one's body. Let us embrace the bounty of the sea starting today, savor every delicious bite and steadily stride toward a new life of health and longevity. Through continuous exploration and adjustment of one's diet, seniors not only relish the flavors and satisfaction of good food, but also leverage scientifically backed health practices to enhance physical functionality. May every senior, under the nurturing care of these ocean treasures, enjoy a late life that's healthy, joyful, and full of energy.